I'm Susan. Today I'm going to work on these papers I did on my jelly press. These three, I'm happy with them the way they are. They make good background pages. As you may know, I've started a new journal, and now I want to get some papers prepared for my signatures, and I think this would make a good one. And just maybe do something to the back so that it's not so white. But I like this one because you think about decorating and using that as background. It's pretty. And the same with this one. I think it's great. And I'm happy with this one. But the rest, I feel like I need something else done to them. I think I'm going to go ahead and tear down these pages to where they're the right size so that if I use my jelly plate again, I can get it lined up better. So I'm going to do that. Alright, I've got them cut down, and I think for the ones that I'm happy with, I think I'm going to use Distress ink and put over this so that it will give a light so that I can journal over it. I'm just giving it a shot. I don't know. I'm going to use the red for this one. I just want, you know, something that's a little translucent. I've never tried this, so it'll be fun to see what we get. A little better than that. I don't know if this will even work, but we'll find out. Oh, very cool. Now that's much better. And it's light enough to where we can write on it. So let's see what else we got. This one's a light color. Forgot I need something to burn her off. That could be a mistake, couldn't it? Antique linen. You can't see it hardly on the gel plate. Uh-oh. That's still pretty. I guess it didn't get all the ink off from before. But I still like that. It's very, very pretty. Let's see what we have, if we have anything left on this one. Nope. Okay. Got this broken china. That'll make a wonderful writing spot. Now this time I want to make sure I get all the ink up. Try this linen. And this time I want to do it over the top. So I'm hoping it'll be translucent to cover up the white, but not so much to where it'll cover up the paint. I gave it a little bit of color and not overwhelming. Don't know whether to go wonder about this pink. That's pretty. I like that. Now let's see. For the back, I like that. It's just very, very faint. And I could do distressing around the edges as well. We'll just have to see. Now I want to embellish my other prints and see what I can come out with. See, this is a metallic. This one's pink. I think I want red. This one is red flash. I'll let you watch and see how I embellish all these different prints. Okay. Now this one I still may do a little something else too, but I love how they turned out. And the back, on this one you really can't see, but I did that distressed linen and antique linen, and it gives it just a faint color. But like I said, I'll probably work on this one some more. I like this one. You saw these earlier. And I love how the distress ink does on the back. Now this one, hope you can see it. Worked on it, and I put that color on the back. It's I believe it's a blue and rusty hinge. I want to say it's sapphire blue, but I'm not sure. And then we've got this one. It's so pretty. It's got the stars on it. Hope you can see it. And I just did like a real pale blue and that velvet, pink velvet. And this is probably my favorite, and it was the one I had the least hope for, but it turned out so pretty, and it'll be gorgeous in a fall journal. And I just did that light green and a rusty hinge on the back. Now some of these I may not use the back, but I've got them if I want them. Now this is deep and dark, and I really like it, and I just did the rusty hinge on the back. Got this one. Now I was just going for the pink and red, but the green was left on my gel plate, but I like it. This looks like a dark night sky to me, and I love this. I just used that blue, and I had already had the where I had accidentally brayered when I was on the gel plate, but it works. And I love how this one turned out. You can see that the purple shining. That one was cool. And I just did the green on the back. And this was just one of the wipe off pages, and I just kind of stamped on it. It'll most likely be a collage plate, but I had to try out that purple to see what it looked like in distress. Well, I hope you enjoyed these. I really enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. I can't wait to play again. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.